So friends, if you are annoyed with autocorrect feature in your iPhone, then you can easily turn it off. But if you don't know the process, this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, in order to turn off autocorrect, you can simply go to settings in your iPhone. Once you go to settings, go down and look for general option. If you go in general, you get multiple options. Again, go down and look for keyboard. Select keyboard and you get keyboard related settings on this particular page. If you go down under all keyboards, you get multiple options. The first option is auto correction. Now currently you can see autocorrect is on in my iPhone. In order to turn it off, simply tap on this toggle. Once it turns to gray, it denotes that it is off. So this is how simple it is to turn off autocorrect. And additionally, if you go down, you get another option of check spelling. If you don't want to check spelling during typing, then you can turn this toggle off as well. And apart from that, if you want more settings, again you can go down, you can turn on or off auto capitalization during typing and all. So you get multiple options over here. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.